Weeks, 2 weeks passed, and it was straight dead air. Nothing, nunca, nada. Another week passed, and still silence. A month, 2 months passed, 3 months. Oh, forget about it. They had been bamboozled, taken to the cleaners. They got. That was Banks and Busket's conclusive prognosis on the scenario they had created in their heads, why the song never dropped. In their cerebrals, it was slowly eroding into a faded memory. A monumental moment where the sky could have been the limit for their huge success was now slowly morphing into a decaying relic in the skeletal city of bones. He heard a loud